Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of George's videos. Please subscribe and like.
This is a sliding window catch off my motorhome, and it simply relies on a piece of plastic, this edge, bending, and this hook to hook onto the other half of the window. With age, the plastic's gone brittle, so it's not flexible anymore, and it's sheared off. I'm wondering whether I could make it spring loaded and put a hinge across here. Problem is, due to the age of the van, you cannot buy these, and all the other plastic catches, which are about £15–16 a time, don't seem to do the job. So I'm going to see if I can repair this one by putting a little hinge on it. And I've got some hinges somewhere. The light level's not very good, but I'll try and show you this together. This screws on the window with two holes there, and that's like a plastic hinge and just relies on the plastic bending. Right, this gripper, this hook shaped bit of plastic grips on the other half, and what you do is, let's see if I can balance it. Yeah, you're supposed to, it's not very good, I can't get the right angle. You're supposed to squeeze these two bits together like that. This hook comes away from the frame of the window, and this bit here where it's split just there, I can see it, it's supposed to act as a hinge, and of course it's completely broke. And it's the biggest pile of poo I've seen in a long time. So I'm going to see if I can actually, on this joint, fit a small hinge. Okay, so I've got the plastic, so I'm going to file this off, and this edge, and then I might be able to fit the hinge, which means drilling and fitting some screws. Well, I've got one of the hinges attached, I'm going to fit two. I had these little hinges I bought for jewellery boxes and things. So that's one, and then I'm going to put the other one there. I'm using very small screws, and I'm actually tapping the plastic. Well, it seems to work as it should with the hinges in there, see it? And the hinges there. I've got hinges under there. So what I've got to do, I've got to spring load this section so it forces out like that. So I'll need to arrange a spring of some sort. And see, it grips the window like that, and then it comes down. So there's got to be a spring in here. I think I should be able to make something. But I've got to make these screws a little bit shorter. I've got to cut them down. They're so fiddly, you need almost tweezers to handle them. Alright, we'll see what we can do. Well, that's it YouTubers. I think it's done. So I've got two jewellery box hinges, some screws, a couple of springs, a couple of screws, and that bolts on the window like that. You squeeze it, and then you can slide the window along and let go, and then shut it. I think that might work. I shall paint these screw heads black and those nuts, little nuts there, black. And don't mind if you see the springs. I should go down and fit it tomorrow, and we'll see if it works. Don't see why it shouldn't work. George sitting on a bench called Bye for Now.
Bye-bye.